x to power 0 is equal 1. Why is that? Why when you raise x to power 0 we get 1? So let's understand that. If I take x divided by x, I can write down x to power 1. It's the same thing, right? X to power 1. Because when we say x, that's mean power 1 and coefficient 1. Just like when you say 1 apple or n apple, it's the same thing. So x or x to power 1. And based on rule of division for powers, we are going to get x is equal 1 minus 1. And that is equal x to power 0, right? Okay. At the same time, let me make it 1 here. At the same time, when I put x divided by x, okay, well, considering x is not equal to 0 at the bottom, so I can cancel them, right? And get 1. Let me put this way so you won't think that it's a power. Just put 1. So what do we get? X to power x we get is equal x to power 0. And x divided by x we get 1. So does that mean x to power 0 is equal 1? Of course. Okay. Moving to next case. X to power 0 plus 1, x to power 0 minus 1. Now once we understood this x to power 0 equal 1, it will be easy to do it. X to power 0 plus 1, it's practically, that means 1 plus 1, right? Because this equal 1. So we get 2. And x to power 0 minus 1 accordingly is going to be 1 minus 1 is equal 0. Okay. So let's do the next case. Negative 8x to power 0 versus negative 8 x to power 0. So when we have here parentheses, that means the base is negative. Your base is negative 8x. The entire base. And we know that base, any base to power 0 is equal 1. So in this case, we are going to get 1. Now let's look into this case. Negative 8 x 0. So that means in this case we are going to have negative 8 times x to power 0 because there are no parentheses. So this power 0 belongs to base x only. Okay. And what do we get? Negative 8 times 1. And the result is negative 8. Okay, so you can see these parentheses, they change it. And in one case you get 1. In another case you get negative 8. That's all. See you in next time.